Good morning, children. Today we will study lesson 3rd of class 7. In English, lesson 3rd Gopal and Hilsa Fish. Before start the lesson, we must know a comic story because this lesson our Gopal and Hilsa Fish is a comic story. Then we must know what is a comic book or comic story. A comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures. A story that told mainly through the picture. That is called comic story or comic book. As you saw, see Gopal and Hilsa fish. Gopal a person and Hilsa fish a type of fish. Let's start the lesson. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Hilsa fish. Which season? Hilsa fish season. Fishman could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Man could see only about Hilsa fish, nothing else, because it is a month of or season of Hilsa fish. As you look the picture, fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold Hilsa fish, only Hilsa fish. Fishmonger said, "Come, buy, the price of Hilsa is down today." Fishmonger said, "Come and buy. The price of Hilsa fish is down." Fishmonger said, "Come here and buy the Hilsa fish." And buy Hilsa fish. Next. Householder could take off nothing but Hilsa fish. And householder also could take Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? Householder said, "How much did you pay for that Hilsa?" Then Mongoose said, "You wouldn't believe it if I told you." Next. And in the place, two the countries could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Every person talk about the Hilsa fish, nothing else. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was Majesty. He's a king, and these are people. And said to the king. People said to the king, "Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was." Next. Stop. Then the king said, "Stop it. Stop it. Are you a courtier or fisherman?" When the courtier said to the king about the Hilsa fish, then the king was shouted and said, "Stop!" Are you a courtier or fisherman? Are you courtier or fisherman? The king was shouted because he fed up about the Hilsa fish. वो Hilsa fish के बारे में सुन करके थक गया था एकदम से. राजा के जो लोग थे दरबारी, वो सभी हिल्सा फिश, सब लोग हिल्सा फिश के बारे में बात करते हैं। जब राजा सुन के थक जाता है तब चिल्लाता है, कहता है कि तुम लोग, आप लोग दरबारी हो या फिर मछली बेचने वाले हो। द कोर्टियर्स फील साइलेंट with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. Then the other courtier silent and stand. I am sorry, and reply, I am sorry, I lost my temper. Then the king, but the king feel the very sad and said, I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for hilsa fish and no one. At last the king said, I am sorry, and I lost temper, and I forget it is a season or month of hilsa fish. Next. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. Not even Gopal can stop. Not even Gopal can stop. Not even Gopal. Gopal is a clever man or courtier and stop anyone from talking about hilsa fish. Oh, I think I could, your majesty. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from hilsa fish about. The king said to the Gopal, you can stop anyone from talking about the hilsa fish. Then the Gopal replied, yes, I could, your majesty, I could. I can it. Then let me see you. Buy a hilsa fish. You have hilsa fish. Bring it to the place. Then let me see. You buy a his or big hilsa fish and bring to it the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. Then the king said to the Gopal, if you buy a big hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it, then the Gopal accept the challenge of your majesty. फिर राजा ने गोपाल से कहा कि क्या तुम जो है इस हिल्सा फिश को खरीद करके पैलेस में ला सकते हो बिना किसी के टोके या बिना किसी के बीच में रुकावट हुए। देन गोपाल कहता है कि ठीक है, एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है। आई एक्सेप्ट। देन गोपाल, आई एक्सेप्ट द चैलेंज योर मेजेस्टी। A few days later. Why is your face half shaven? As you look in a picture, a lady, wife of Gopal. She is the wife of Gopal. A few days later, Gopal's wife said to Gopal, why is your face half shaven? As you look in the picture, half shaven. I am dressing up to buy a fish. Then Gopal replied, his wife, I am dressing up to buy a fish. Next. What is the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? Ash means rock, smearing means malana. Then his wife said to him, why are you smearing? क्यों मल रहे हो? Yourself with ash. As Gopal smearing ash on his face. Then his wife said, why are you smearing your face with ash? Then I told you, I am dressing. Once again Gopal replied, I am dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. मैं हिल्सा फिश खरीदने के लिए क्या कर रहा हूँ? तैयार हो रहा हूँ. नेक्स्ट, लिसन टू मी. Listen to me. Please you come possibly to go out in those those disgraceful race. What are you up to? Listen to me. Please you can't possibility. And why disgrace, hate or ugly? Why are you make your face ugly? क्यों अपने चेहरे को गुरूप कर रहे हैं? How many times I must tell you? How many times I must? Oh man, I am out to buy a service. When how many times Gopal's wife said to Gopal's. Then Gopal replied, I am out to buy a big hilsa fish. It is happened to him. He is gone mad. It is happened to him. He has gone mad. Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking toward palace. After set from his house, Gopal bought a hilsa fish and started walking toward palace. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? And many persons or village men look Gopal and laugh. But Gopal didn't care. He must be a madman. Many people say about the Gopal, he must be a madman. First, I think he is a mystic. Some people said madman and some mystic and mystery. When Gopal read the code, what do you want? Then the courtier stand at the gate and said to Gopal, what do you want? Then Gopal replied, you can't see the king. Get away with you. You can't see the king. Get away with. And the courtier denied him, but Gopal didn't. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Then Gopal started dance and sing loudly. Inside the palace, अंदर की तरफ से, the man is crazy. Threw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. Inside the king said to courtiers, the man is crazy and throw out of palace at once. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. Then the king said, bring that man to me. Bring that man to me at once. तुरंत लाओ. Yes, your majesty. लाते हैं. Gopal was brought before the king. Gopal was brought before the king. It is Gopal. When courtier came Gopal before the king, then king said, it is a Gopal. It is Gopal. It is Gopal. It is Gopal. It is Gopal. The man has lost his mind. The man has lost his mind. The man has lost his mind. I think it is one of his crazy jokes. One of his crazy jokes. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this the ridiculous fashion? All right, okay. Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Then Gopal remembered the king. Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. आप कुछ भूल रहे हैं. Forgotten something. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. Strangely enough to seems to the interested in Hilsa fish today. इस समय जो हिल्सा फिश के बारे में सब लोग करें. बट फ्रॉम मार्केट टू द पैलेस एंड इन द कोर्ट नॉट साउल एनीवन, किसी ने भी स्पोकन अ वर्ड अबाउट द हिल्सा फिश. करें मार्केट से लेके पैलेस तक किसी ने भी हिल्सा फिश के बारे में नहीं पूछा. सब ने सिर्फ मेरे बारे में ही पूछा. मेरे बारे में पूछा. Only then did the king remember challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Only king had remembered. Only king had remembered. Only then did the king remember challenge. Ha ha ha. Well, Gopal. Then the king laughed and said, well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again. Impossible once again. मतलब तूने एक बार फिर से भी क्या कर दिया? Impossible once again. Impossible को संभव कर दिया. संभव में संभव. Impossible असंभव. Thus at last the king said to the Gopal, you are a wise and clever man than the other courtiers, and laugh every courtiers and king. The story is finished.